réussi à quitter la barque.
So I'm not an expert, but Majorana is an anion.
Yes,
So,
another anion.
Wait, yeah. My question is, I mean, how do you realize it's an ion? So you said it's not a fermion, it's not a boson. How do you realize this in a solid state physics material? How do I get that?
Your question is experimental question, and I'm theoretician, but I have some question. Also, there is another. I said I will represent just the Fibonacci model. There is another model like Ising model or Majorana model. The Ising model and Majorana model not universal for quantum computation, because when we solve in the hexagon and pentagon equations, we have not one solution, it's many solutions. So when we solve the pentagon hexagon equation, when we have one solution, this is good. I can get a universal model for quantum computation. But when I have many solutions, this is not good, because I have to add some new particles to encode my information, and this is not universal. Majorana fermions and Ising fermions not good for universal computation, but physically Ising is detected physically. Majorana, I saw in the August in Manchester, they detected Majorana fermions. I don't know if it's really or not, but Fibonacci model not detected yet. Thank you.
Thank you. Merci.